Hello guys, this is Shubham Agarwal from Agarwal Bros, and in today's video we'll talk about free SEO audit. Okay, so there are a lot of websites that offer SEO audit. Okay, the problem is that they can charge you money like $19 monthly, $29 monthly, and $59 monthly if you are trying to white label. Okay, so if you are trying to build a brand, or when you're contacting websites using GSA and you are doing SEO audit for them, and you are trying to white label your report, it will cost you $59 or $29. Okay, and embedding, if you are trying white labeling and embedding, it will cost you $59 on this website, which is seooptimer.com. On this website, let me see, this was also expensive, like $89 a month, $49 or $20 in basic. Okay, you get 70 factors in this, in the basic one, which is at least $29 you still have to pay. So first of all, if you're trying to do it, it can be expensive. That's the bottom line that I'm trying to discuss here. If you're trying to do SEO audit, it can be expensive. So I'm trying to launch my own website, which will be something like this. Currently I'm using a script, but I believe this should work for you, and I have asked my developer to do this. Currently I believe the code is a little broken on our end, so you will not be able to register, it seems. But let me show you the inner working. Suppose I am inside my dashboard, inside my account. Now click on new report. Now let me check something. Okay, how to do SEO. These are few websites that will crop up. Now just let me take any. These are very good websites actually. So they will all pass the parameters that my software will go through. If you have any other website, let me try it. Let me try this one. These are very good, man. Neil Patel. Let me try this one. bruceclay.com. Okay, 1 second. Anyways, yeah, this website is actually discussing how to do SEO, so I believe it will be a good one. Anyways, this is what my those who will buy my course will get. Okay, they will get free access to this for life, or as long as the website works. Now as you can see, it can tell you it will give you the score, which is 71 out of 100. Okay, and there are 3 issues, 4 medium issues, 1 low issue, and whatever 25 tests have been passed, title, and it will give you all the reports on all these parameters. Okay, so I will make this website free. If you want to visit these websites, you have to pay, but if you visit my website, it will be essentially free, especially for those who buy my courses. But I think I will give it free to even general public, I guess, or I will give them a very liberal plan, so to speak. Like, there will be a free plan in which they won't even have to pay, I believe, so they can have it. And I will also give them an option of white labeling, assuming my developer is able to do it. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you this website that we are working on, and I hope it works. This is again Shubham Agarwal from Agarwal Bros, and in this video I told you about how to do SEO audit reports basically for free. Thank you.